Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, SimplySubrena here. So today I'm here with another flawless UPART wig application video, and I am just in love with this unit. Never in my entire years of making my own UPART wigs or just testing out other wigs have I ever came across another unit that was just so perfectly made and just so natural. So if you want to know more about this unit, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so really quick, my hair is already braided up as you can see, and I have it pretty flat. So I have my edges out and where my part is going to be because we want this to look really natural. And I'm going to show you guys everything that comes in your box. So again, this is the UPART wig, and this is from MyFirstWig. So this is a line that is made for people like me, people probably like you, who are not professionals at laying and slaying their wigs, the whole melting and gluing when it comes to frontals and closures. I don't get it. I wear them, but I feel like mine's always look like a wig still. So it's not my thing. And I just like a more natural look, but it's probably because I don't know how to lace wigs. So that's probably why it doesn't look natural to me. But this company it's for people like me and you. Okay? So their wigs, you are supposed to be able to apply it straight out the box, no tweezing, no plucking, nothing like that if you get a full frontal wig. I got a UPART wig because I love natural looks. I love having a little bit of my hair left out, so it really does look natural. So in your box, you do get a wig stand, which is really cool. So if you're someone who likes to, you know, have your wigs freshly washed, prepped, and like sitting up, ready to just snatch it off. If you're someone who switches out their wigs like every single day, they give you a wig stand with all of your orders. So in your box, you guys know it is Corona season. So they were so thoughtful. They actually sent over a really cute package. It has some alcohol wipes in here and some masks as well. So I thought that was very sweet and very thoughtful. Thank you, MyFirstWigs. That was really, really sweet. That was a nice touch. That was a nice touch. Thank you for thinking of my health. So you also get this cute little bag. It's kind of like a makeup bag, but this is all your little tools and stuff. So in here you get some bobby pins. You can never have enough bobby pins. So they give you 2 of these little duck clips here, very strong. And also they give you a rat tail comb. And what else is in here? Let's see. This is my first time ever getting a unit from them, guys, and this is like my first time going through the actual things. So, and of course it comes with your instructions. So your unit comes in this. I already took mine out. I'll tell you why in a little bit. So your unit is going to come in this really cute little bag, which I think this is really cute too, especially if you are traveling. So yeah, you can travel with your wig in here. And it comes with a wig cap. I'll just take it out. So for this, you don't need a wig cap, but they still send it because you can never have enough wig caps. So I got the brown color, you know, brown. And it also comes with this to tell you what kind of wig you got, the specs, and all of that. And I'm going to keep it in here because I tend to have a lot of virgin hair around, and then I always forget the company or the exact name of the hair, and then when I go out, people always ask me, and I'm like, I don't know. Yeah, so I'm actually going to keep this one in here for reference, just in case, so I can always send it to people. So that's everything that comes in your package. It literally gives you every single thing you would possibly need to do your hair. This is the unit that I got, and I will have all of the information in the description box. And I'm sorry if I'm always looking down, but I'm trying to make sure that I'm in focus. I hope I'm in focus for this video. That would, let me just come closer, because that would be so sad. So sad. Okay. Alright, so this is the unit and it is on this wig block that I almost just cut my finger on. Alright, so this is Monica. That's her name on the site, and it is a UPART wig. So it is 20 inches long. I wanted to get a more natural looking wig because I had a feeling I was gonna be in love and this was gonna be so perfect, and I just wanted like an everyday normal natural look. So the wig of course does come with this little mesh parting that you would cut out. It is 4 inches deep, so when I was braiding my hair I actually took a tape measure and measured 4 inches, and I did a little bit extra because I knew the wig wasn't going to be right up on my hairline. So that's another tip to make sure you get a very flawless application. Make sure that your leave out matches the actual part on the wig. Yeah, and make sure your braids are super flat. As you can see, I basically joined all the braids into a new braid and then connected it and just like wrapped it around. So I have a very flat base, and hold on. Okay, I feel like y'all need to see more of my head than my body. Yeah, so the hair comes in a very natural brown color. So I did dye it black because gotta make that melanin pop, okay? So I did dye it black and it did air dry outside. So this is the natural, let me just do it like this. So this is the natural texture of the hair. It's very pretty loose wave. So let me just read off the specs. So again, her name is Monica. It's a silky texture. It's 20 inches. And oh, they don't have the curl on here. Well, on the website it is listed as like a, I'm not sure if it was body wave or loose wave, but it did say something wave. So I figured it was going to be something like this, very loose enough to where it's going to look really good when you straighten it, but also curly enough to where whenever you curl it, it will hold a curl. And that's the kind of hair I like. I typically don't like bone straight hair. So this is what it looks like, and I'm going to show you the cap construction, okay? Because baby, I ain't never seen a UPART wig constructed like this. So you have the 2 clips here. You have the clip in the back, and like any other wig, it also comes with the adjustable straps right here where you can tighten it. But as if that wasn't enough, they also gave you the extra band in here where you can tighten as well. So baby, you could be outside in a hurricane, your wig is not going nowhere unless all of you go somewhere, okay? I'm gonna cut out the extra lace that's on here right now and cut it really close to, I'm gonna clean this because this smells like something. I just turned my flat iron on and it was smelling a little suspicious. So I had to make sure I was about to burn the house down. Okay, so I guess I cut too close to the thing because this comb just came out. Oh, and I so forgot to show you guys. So it actually comes with combs on the side as well. So I guess I cut way too close to the comb, and I may have, yeah, I definitely cut way too close. So I'm actually going to have to sew this back on since I cut it. So I'm gonna do that and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I'm back and I fixed it, and I feel like I was not in focus for the first half of this video, but we're gonna see how it gets out. So learn from my mistakes and be very careful when you are cutting out the clips, because I did cut one of mine out and I didn't see this, but they have 2 clips on the side as well. Again, this wig is going nowhere. So let's try this again. Let's go ahead and clap this on. And let me slide this in here somewhere. And I want to bring it as close to the front as possible. And I will say, just from the application, I don't feel any tension. even like with the combs, and usually I'm scared to use combs because sometimes they just really pull on your hair. So it's on and it's very comfy. It's not super tight or anything like that, so I like that. Okay. So, alright, I'm gonna straighten this because I'm just gonna wear this straight at first. But I like this, and let me show you guys what the length is looking like. Get myself together in here. So it's 20 inches, and me, 20 inches is literally about, you know, mid back. Well, I guess almost waist length. But this is what the 20 inches is looking like. We're gonna straighten this and let's see how it straightens. I'm gonna spray some heat protectant all over first. And I'm literally having to like use my screen on my iPad as my mirror, which I should just go get a mirror out of my room so I can really do my hair. So I'm gonna do that really quick. It's really soft, you guys, like really soft. It does shed, I will say that. It does shed a little bit from like the washing time. It's not excessive, but it sheds more than I would like to. Like I feel like you're probably, every time you brush it or comb it, you are gonna have a few strands on your bathroom floor. So get prepared, but it is what it is. It's inevitable. And I wanted to show you guys the side. Like I'm loving how they did it. So when I pull my hair back, it is gonna have more of a seamless finish. So the comb doesn't go like all the way out to the root, which when I saw that, it kind of bothered me. But I'm gonna see if I necessarily need it. And okay, so you can just put like a bobby pin in there. If you're like self-conscious, you just want to make sure that flap doesn't like poke up throughout your hair. So that's what I'm gonna do. And just make sure it like disappears in the hair. Yeah, so that is one con. The comb for the part doesn't come all the way up, which is kind of weird. It starts like an inch behind. So you can blow dry it before to get like that really, really bone straight, sleek look. But originally I had planned to wand curl it. So I was just gonna run the flat iron through a few times and wand curl it, but whew, I'm going somewhere in a few hours, so I'm not gonna have time to wand curl it now. So I'm just gonna press it out. But as you can see, it's straightened out super easy. I didn't blow dry, it was just from its natural texture, and it is very straight. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead, flat iron the rest of this, and I'll be back when it's time to lay and slate my natural hair to make it blend. But this hair feels really good. It is silky, but I'm not gonna lie, because it has the texture in it naturally, I feel like this is going to blend really well with my natural hair. So I'm going to finish straightening it and we will be right back. Okay, you guys, so I'm all done with the install and I am in love. This looks so natural. Like, I cannot wait to wand curl it because that's how I initially had in my mind to wear it. But again, I got somewhere to be. But I'm loving this. The install is literally 10 minutes. You can't beat that. I'm not spending hours making my own UPART wig. This comes with all the clips, all the combs, all the straps everywhere, so it's very secure. And I really do like the texture of this hair. It actually blends very good with my natural hair. Actually, I could press my hair out more, but I'm not pressed to because I already know in a couple days I don't got nowhere to go, but I got people to see. So I'll probably wand curl it soon, but I'm loving this. Or I'll probably just do really loose bantu knots overnight and then give it that natural curl. But this is what it looks like, you guys. Like, I'm so shocked right now. Like, this looks like my hair. Like, over here, it's so flat, so smooth. First of all, so seamless. Like, look at this. I can literally, possibly, even do like a half up, half down style. Right here is kind of sparse with my hair. But yeah, like, I can like clip this up if I wanted to. Like, this alone has me like floored. Because that's like the main issues that I have. Whenever I make my own UPART wigs, it's like I can never really wear it any other style but just down. But this, I feel like I'll be able to play with this. Definitely can do a low ponytail. And this whole ponytail looks like it's my ponytail. From edges to back. Like, yeah, this is very clutch. I like this. Again, all the links, all the deets on this specific unit will be listed down below in the description box, so definitely check it out. Definitely give this video a thumbs up if you like this. I am loving this unit from MyFirstWig. This was super easy to do. Again, if you're not you know, if you're not a little gifted with your hands, can't sew a wig to save your life, can't do, just go ahead and get you a wig from MyFirstWigs. Even if you want to try out the lace fronts or anything like that, it comes pre-plucked, bleached, like all of that stuff. So literally you can apply it straight out the box. Again, you saw me, mine was technically straight out the box, except for I dyed it because my hair is black. If I would have had the natural brown, it would have just looked like a no. No. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about this unit. Do you guys like it? Have you tried any wigs from MyFirstWig? I'm definitely curious about trying out some other textures in their UPART wig for sure. Possibly a more curlier one, or I don't know, but I love this. Hey guys, thank you guys so much for watching. If you have not already subscribed, definitely subscribe and thumbs up this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, loves.